Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen, I hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out e1ULife, okay? And you might be wondering, is this a good, business opportunity to get into? Can you make money with it? What is it all about? How much does it cost? I'm gonna review e1ULife, and then you can decide for yourself whether you want to get into this affiliate marketing, internet marketing training system that is also kind of like a business opportunity, okay? Now, e1ULife was actually called Easy1up. All right, so Easy1up was the original name. The founder is Peter Wolfing, and it was, Easy1up has been around for a very, very long time. And now they've upgraded and they've changed their name. They've rebranded to something called e1ULife. All right, and at the time of recording this video, Peter has taken a step back and he's hired a great coach and trainer. His name is Dwayne Golden to actually be the head runner of e1ULife. And let's kind of talk about the difference between Easy1up and e1ULife, and is there really a difference? Okay, so first of all, just to let you know, I was an Easy1up member for a little while. In fact, e1ULife has a very, very similar setup like Easy1up. All right, so all the packages are pretty much the same: Elevation, Elevation Elite, Vertex, Vertex Elite, all the way up to Vertex Live. Okay, the cost of the products range from $30 all the way to $2,500 one-time purchase, right? And you basically get whatever you purchase in that pack. So for example, if you buy Vertex, you get 42 trainings, and you get everything in Elevation Elite and Elevation Basic as well. And you also get a custom opt-in page, the social media pack, and custom email templates, which is pretty cool. Okay, so these things are new. They didn't have them in Easy1up. So things like the custom opt-in page, the social media pack, the templates, the custom logo, the custom multi-page funnel, and the custom website. That's all new technology stuff from e1ULife. But all the trainings are pretty much the same from the original Easy1up, okay? Now, this is the big problem that I had with Easy1up. It's not that it's not a good business model to sell. So the way that it works is, you can sell the way you can make 100% commissions. That's why a lot of people like e1ULife and Easy1up, is because if you join, let's just say at the Vertex level for 1,100, that's how much you're gonna have to pay. And somebody comes in at the Elevation Elite, Vertex or Vertex Elite, or even Vertex Pro, you get to make 100% commissions on any of these sales. Okay, so $30, $110, $275, $550, and $1,100, right? And it's a pay-to-play type of business. That means that you earn at the level that you're at. So if you're at the Elevation level, you paid $110, but someone joins at the Vertex Pro level, then you only make $110 and all the rest gets passed up to your sponsor. Okay, so it's kind of like a pay-to-play thing. They really recommend you to upgrade to the highest level, and it's good and bad. The good is that you can earn more commissions that way, but the bad is, because you feel like you're missing out, it kind of almost forces you to upgrade, and some people don't necessarily like that. So it just depends on who you are, but just understand that you earn commissions at the level that you're at. Everything else you pass up to your sponsor. Okay, the other thing as well is you pass up every second sale to your sponsor. So let's just say you join today, you make one sale at $30, you keep that. The next sale you make at $110, you pass that up to your sponsor. That's kind of how their compensation plan works, right? Now, all that is fine. The only issue I had with Easy1up originally was a lot of the trainings that you get, like Elevation Basic has 49 trainings, Elevation Elite has 27 trainings, Vertex has 42 trainings. A lot of the trainings weren't that good. Okay, so they were very, very random. And there would just be a whole bunch of random trainings, and it would be very confusing. Okay, that was the major problem that I had with Easy1up. It's not that the trainings weren't decent. They were okay trainings, and they would teach you how to market online, but they were just so random that if you're a beginner, you would get lost. Okay, and that's a big, big issue. All right, now with e1ULife, because they've upgraded it and changed it, it's a lot more structured, which is good. Okay, so at least the trainings are a little bit more cohesive. They make a bit more sense, and at the different levels you're going to get additional things like the opt-in page or the social media pack or the email templates. But to be honest, all of these individually won't help you at all unless you have a custom multi-page funnel. So in my opinion, if you're not getting into at least Vertex Pro to get a custom multi-page funnel, then your business isn't going to be very complete. So you're basically just going to have a whole bunch of training, and if you don't execute on the training properly, then you're never going to have a multi-page sales funnel that will allow you to sell effectively. That's the only thing. Okay, so while the training is okay at the $30 level, it's okay at the $110 level, it's okay at the $275 level, for you to really do well, you need to kind of be here. And the problem is not everybody can afford $1,100, and not everybody can afford $2,500. Okay, so again, it just depends on who you are. But if you can afford, excuse me, the Vertex Pro or the Vertex Live, then it's pretty decent. It's pretty decent. It's an improvement from Easy1up. I really didn't, I wasn't a fan of Easy1up. I was at the highest level. I paid over $2,000 for it. And the training was just bad. And they didn't have all these additional technology things like the custom website, the multi-page funnel, the custom logos, the email templates, the social media packs, and the opt-in pages. These will help you to market online, which is good. Okay, so e1ULife is an upgraded version of Easy1up. It's better. It's more organized. They've got more technology elements. But again, this is for some people and this is not for other people, I would say, right? So a couple of problems here. This really only makes sense if you're upgrading at the higher levels. Otherwise, it's just pretty basic training, to be honest, and it might not get you where you need to go. So, and not everybody can spend, $1,000 over on their business, right? So that's what I would say about Vertex, about e1ULife, sorry. But the nice thing is that you do get to earn 100% commissions, right? And the other thing as well is a business opportunity. You have to understand that. So you're selling e1ULife, and if they change anything, then your entire business gets swept up from under your feet. And as long as you're okay with that, then it might be a decent thing to sell, because earning 100% commissions across 6 different products is pretty good if you understand how to market, right? That's the key thing. If you understand how to market and sell this properly, then you might be okay. And if you join at the lower levels, unfortunately, you probably won't have enough training for you to do well. All right, so if you only have $30 and you join at Elevation Basic, you're probably not going to be very successful with e1ULife, because it's just not enough for you to get you to where you need to go. All right, so this definitely, I think, this is just my personal opinion. I've been marketing online for a very, very long time, and I've been part of the community before as well, so I'm very familiar with what you get with the programs. You're going to need to upgrade to the higher levels if you want to do well with this program. Okay, so again, if you only have $30 to spend, 110, I would probably save that and get into other trainings. It's probably a little bit better. But if you have a slightly higher budget, then Vertex Pro and Vertex Live is pretty decent. All right, so that is my review of e1ULife. I hope you enjoyed this review today. And if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you're somebody that is looking to build an income online. If you would like to learn exactly my favorite strategy, this is how I got to multiple 6 figures. I'd love to show you how to do that. Just go ahead and click the link below. Register for my free workshop in the description box or the comment section. I wish you all the best. I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I will see you on another one. Take care.